but in St. Pete, it's really bad conditions this year. Under 10 first. Yeah. The big guy they didn't get their sunshine. They go back replica. That's like 25 years old. Well, no, they had it in the 70s. They come with it. See the water running sticking down? See how close you are to the water? Yeah, you gotta warm it up a little bit. See, you can't stop just running. You just keep moving. He's looking at it. Yeah, if he hits the big wave, we go dead. He gets drunk. Don't run out of battery. It's big to making that thing fly in a long way. It will be nice and tidy when you go. I taught his daughter how to fly my dad's airplane. So he can go fly there. His dad did. His dad built the first home built in Florida. Oh, sweet and duty. I don't know if it's going back here or not. Just a little further. It's smoother. Not the pretty smooth. See, no boats in front of it. See, there won't be any right place. There we go. This is neat, isn't it?
It might be coming back in.
No, that's about it. Right about there.
Oh, he's saying it's bumpy.
Yeah.
Now he's
Here comes a giant wave. Mr. Oblivious over here.
he's circling around, I think.
One of those bullnose ones. Yeah. Oh yeah, he'll come by. Big wave here. Okay, now it's okay. the only home-built system I know of that's made to look like an antique, you know. Probably going to come at us this time. So my dad's best friend, his buddy, was busting with his float plane, creased right down the roof of his Buick. Yeah. I didn't even see him right. Oh, I see him now. Get ready. Hey, you can figure. He's a good guy. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, see, he wasn't too close. He was just close enough to make it fun.
Yeah, at first you see that silhouette.
Yeah, I could